My video guide is about removing the extension that is called Plus Darker. Plus Darker is a special extension for the Google Chrome browser. Currently, it is promoted by means of fake security check alerts that come from this website. And it is very dangerous to install this extension Plus Darker because the extension may change a lot of crucial browser settings without your permission. Once installed, the extension starts controlling the default search engine. When you submit some particular search queries, you might notice some strange redirections, and eventually the results would be delivered by Yahoo Search. Obviously, that's a problem. People might not like this Yahoo Search, and it was not their decision to use it. So you need to get rid of that extension from the Google Chrome browser as soon as possible. Access the menu, go to More Tools, Extensions, disable the extension and remove the extension completely. After you've done that, this problem should be fixed and the trouble should no longer reoccur. Nevertheless, your computer could be additionally burdened by some hidden adware or malware. We recommend checking the list of programs and remove any third-party applications from the list. Now, to make sure that your system is free of other threats, we strongly advise scanning with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and start researching the system to detect and eliminate all other threats which could possibly be concealed on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.